Hello, and thank you for joining us for one of our tutorials. We're still enjoying that month of February and celebrating our flower of the month, which is the rose. So I'm going to create a table arrangement that would be suitable possibly for a wedding, the sphere of roses. I'm using a import rose. This is actually aqua. And if you've actually spotted one of our previous tutorials on pink roses, the aqua rose that we illustrated on there was actually a Dutch one. This is actually an import. So these are not quite such a pristine bloom as you would get if you bought a Dutch one. Okay, so started off by filling my small cocktail glass with Oasis. I've put a little tiny block of Oasis at the base and then a sphere of Oasis on top, and I've actually lined the vase with some polypropylene ribbon that's actually called aspidistra. So it actually looks like an aspidistra leaf, but it is actually ribbon. Really useful thing to have, so watch out for that on our website. Thank you for joining us on another one of our tutorials celebrating February and our flower of the month, which is the rose. So hope you've enjoyed it, and we look forward to welcoming you to another one of our tutorials and look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.